Standard 6, History and Civics, Chapter 7, Jainism and Buddhism. In the previous class, you learned about Jainism, the real founder of Jainism, Vartaman Mahavira. And today, we are going to learn the teachings of Mahavira and subsections of Jainism, Jain literature, spread of Jainism. Okay, it is divided into two parts. Now, part 1, teachings of Mahavira. Jainism did not believe in God, but advocated that godliness in the inherent quality of every soul. Three main teachings of Mahavira were as follows. First, ahimsa. Second, caste system. And third, karma. That is, cycle of birth and rebirth. Okay, the first teachings, ahimsa. Non-violence. Ahimsa or non-violence is one of the basic teachings of Mahavira. He preached that one should not harm any living creature, not even animals, insects and plants. Next, second, that is caste system. Mahavira believed and preached equality. That means all are equal, whether poor or rich, equality of all human beings. He rejected the rigid caste system of the Vedic society. He also rejected sacrifices, expensive yajnas and elaborate rituals of Hinduism. Third teachings, karma. That means cycle of birth and rebirth. Human soul is subject to rebirth because of karma. Karma means actions, our day-to-day actions of the person. Every soul's ultimate goal is freedom from this circle of birth and rebirth. Mahavira taught that ultimate goal of life is freedom from the cycle of birth and rebirth. The stage when the soul attains this freedom is called moksha. Mahavira said that moksha can be gained by following. That's important. How we can inherit moksha? By following 5 great woe and 3 jewels of Jainism. 5 great woe and 3 jewels. There is a 5 great woe. What is 5 great woe? The 5 great woe are also known as Pancha Maharadas. Pancha Maharadas. They are the 5 great rules or commandments. That is, you can in the Bible, there are 10 commandments. Like that, Jains, 5 woes, that is called Maharadas. 5 great rules or commandments that must be followed by every Jain. What are these great 5 woes? First, ahimsa, that is non-violence. Second, satya, that is truth. Third, asatya, that is non-stealing. Fourth, aparigraha, that is non-attachment. And last, brahmacharya, that is chastity. Listen how to pronounce that word, chastity. Okay, so 5 great wars over. Next, 3 jewels. Jewel. The 3 jewels of Jainism are known as Triratna, Triratna. They are the 3 basic principles on which all the actions and deeds of Jains must be based. They are, what are 3 jewels? Listen very carefully. 3 jewels. First, right faith. Second, right knowledge. And third, right conduct. Okay, that much only. Have a nice day. Standard 6, Jainism and Buddhism, Part 2. Subsections of Jainism. After the death of Mahavira, the Jains split into 2 sets. That is, first, Digambaras, and second, Sedambaras. The Digambaras did not wear any clothes and followed the original teachings of Mahavira. They are the orthodox followers of Jains. Digambaras. While the Sedambaras wore white clothes and did not follow extreme austerity. Austerity means very simple life, even without proper food. Austerity. Okay, next, Jain literature. And there were 2 important tests. First is Purva. Second is Angas. First Purva. Second Angas. Listen the pronunciation once more. Jain's test. First Purva. Second Angas. Okay. So Jain literature over. There is 2 main tests. The Jains tests were written in a Prakrit language, not Sanskrit. Prakrit. It was the language of the common people, and everybody can understand. That is Prakrit. Okay, Prakrit Bhasha. Okay, next, spread of Jainism. Spread. Jainism spread to many places like Magadha, Anga, Kashi, and Kosala. It even spread to areas out of India like Nepal. Many rulers like Bimsara, Ajatashatru, and Chandragupta Maurya patronized means spread Jainism. And in India, states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, there are many followers of Jainism today also. Okay, that much only. So part 2 is over. Have a nice day. And assignment. You must read part 1 and part 2 twice and understand the content of, learn the content of this lesson. Also you must learn the main teachings, that is ahimsa, caste system, and karma. Then 5 great vows that you must write in a rough book 2-3 times and learn ahimsa, satya, asatya, abhiriga, and brahmacharya. Then very important 3 jewels: right faith, right knowledge, right conduct. Then you learned subsections, Digambaras and Sadambaras. Then Jain literature, spread of Buddhism, etc. Study, okay? And this week itself, you will be getting part 5 and part 6 from this lesson. That much. Thank you.